Hi Giselle, so this video is for you, so you should have your glass vase, some soil, and then of course you have like a bag of sand and rocks. Okay, so get a little spoon, and then the soil in your bag, I would suggest you like fluff it up a little bit, mix it up so that it's nice and soft, so you're not gonna squish it in the vase. Okay. So anyways, get your soil. You're gonna go ahead and put about like 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Okay, and then what I do is I just shake it up, I tap it down, and then you're gonna get the succulent plug and try and like feel out the level of the soil. Obviously it's a little bit too low, so I'm gonna take it out and put a little bit more soil in until I want the succulent to be above the glass. After you wait. Okay, so a little bit more. So basically above, like right below this lines where I like to put it. Because we can also, so now the succulent's a little bit higher, right? So you're gonna get some sand, and you can actually, the succulent can sit on sand. That's not a problem. The roots will go through it. And now you're gonna just start putting some sand in. So we're just creating a little layer here. Okay, you're gonna shake it so it's like a little, it's like flatter. You know, depending on how perfect you want it to be, you're gonna have to probably pat it a little bit, but you know, it looks a little natural, cute. Okay. And then you see how now the succulent is a little bit more above the glass. Okay, so you can put more sand if you want, or more soil. This is just to show you how to do it, since you're doing it on your own, little DIY. So sometimes, like you see, I have the succulent sitting there on top of the sand, a little bit of friction, so it's not gonna really move. Okay, you can tap it, pat it down. And we're just gonna put a little bit more around this side. Okay, so that's a pretty good height, you know. You can hold your succulent like I am and just rotate the sand around. And I'm using blue rocks just so you can see the difference. Put some in your hand, it's the easiest way to do it. And then again, you're going to hold the succulent with one hand and just gently put in the rocks. Very simple. I know, he just wants love. And a little bit more on this side. And that's pretty much it. Then you got your little party favor there. So I hope that was easy. Easy enough. And don't put too much water because then you'll mix up the sand and the soil. And that's it. Voila. Very beautiful little vase you got there. Bye.